How to log in ChatGPT 4 with Microsoft account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can log into ChatGPT using your Microsoft account. For this, open up any web browser and head over to chatgpt.com. Now, click on the login option. Here, you want to click on the option of continue with Microsoft account. Once you do that, the next step is to enter your Microsoft email address, then click on the next option. Once that is done, the next step is to enter your password. Go ahead and enter that. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on the Forgot Password option to retrieve it. Now click on the Sign In option. Now, you will have to enter the security code sent in your email address. Once you have entered that, click on the next option. Now it's going to ask you if you want to stay signed in. Select whichever option you prefer. Now you want to click on the accept option over here and allow any of the permissions. Once all of these steps are completed, you will be successfully logged into ChatGPT 4 with your Microsoft account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.